Good afternoon, welcome to Kingsbridge. My name's Harry. I'm just going to show you around this absolutely stunning 2021 plate Mercedes AMG A35. This is just landed in stock with us. This is a one owner, full Mercedes-Benz history car, obviously finished in the Selenite Gray Magno, so it's the Satin paint on this one. It's a premium plus variant AMG Edition. Really nice car this. Adaptive LED headlights, obviously the Aero kit, so those little canards, front splitter and the spoiler at the back. But in really nice condition. Really well looked after this car. Got the 19-inch multi-spoke AMG alloy wheels, the satin black with that diamond turned lip. All in really nice condition. Brand new tyres on the front, Pirelli P0s. Paintwork in really nice nick. Probably the most exciting thing on Mercedes, the interiors are just absolutely out of this world. By far my favourite interior in any cars coming out of Mercedes at the moment. And you've got those lovely two-tone black and grey leather seats, panoramic roof, electric heated memory seats, some nice brushed aluminium details which really accentuates that ambient lighting on the interior, and again with those vents that light up as well. Illuminated AMG door sills, AMG mats, Burmester sound, which with modern Mercedes, a lot of premium pluses are coming without Burmester. I think it may have been down to the shortage of chips over the COVID period. And again, the two-tone leather in the doors as well, the contrast stitching. The rear seats, I don't think they've ever been used, if I'm honest with you. Just like the perfect example of this paintwork. It's a little bit iffy. You don't want to scratch this paint, and this one in stunning condition. That Aero kit spoiler and diffuser with the black exhaust tips, Mercedes AMG Sports exhaust, and in the boot, plenty of space in these. It's actually a favourite, this car, of our detailing team. Two of the guys of the detailing team, both in A35 AMGs, absolutely love them. Reversing camera as well. The rest of the bodywork there. And the turbo 4MATIC badges on there. Just what an example. Really nice car this. It's hard to find them being this well looked after. You don't come across them often at all. So again, the Burmester premium sound. Again, not easy to find in some of this year's Mercedes. Anything from 2020, it's whether it should have it or not, you don't always get it. Mileage on this, actually, I think it's just done sort of 25,000, so not a lot of miles either. So on your infotainment screen, you've got your obvious bits: satellite navigation, DAB, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, etc, etc. All of your AMG performance bits in there, with your dynamic select and engine gauges, etc. Down here, you've got your adaptive suspension, so you can change these to wherever you want them, and again with all of the engine response, etc, etc, all on there. You've also got your front and rear parking sensors with your reverse camera, as I mentioned, the push button start, the flat bottom AMG steering wheel, really nice steering wheel actually this, and then cruise control, speed limiter, automatic lights, wipers, automatic high beam assist. It's got park assist as well, so if you stick your indicator on, it'll start looking for a parking spot and help you park in there as well. And all of your piano black aluminium bits of detailing throughout. Just a really nice car this. So this one is now live on the website. If you are interested in a proper example of one of these, please do give one of the team here a call. This one I can't imagine is going to stick around very long at all. Really nice example. But thank you for watching the video. If you are interested in keeping up to date with the cars that we get in here at Kingsbridge, please do consider subscribing to the channel. We shall see you on the next one. Oh, also night pack black bits. There you go. Thanks for watching.